welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a core vocabulary and action video, and the core vocabulary word that we're going to be targeting in today's video is we. We is probably going to be a yellow word because it's a pronoun. So on your AC system, look at your yellow words and you might find we. We is a word that we use to refer to a group of people or just maybe you and me and something that we are doing together. All right, now let's find the word we on some of the different AC systems that you might be using. Word Power 60 Basic, the touch chat app from Sotelo, we.
We.
On Lamp Words for Life, the 84 full version of the vocabulary from PRC, we.
We.
On Snapcore First from Tobii Dynavox, the 80 grid size, we.
We.
Now let's use our word we for some different functions of communication. I could make a statement and say, we are going to the zoo today. I could use my word to ask a question and say, what are we having for dinner? I could use my word to make a request and say, we want to play a game. I could use our word to protest and say, we don't want to go to bed. I could use our word we to express feelings and say, we are excited for our trip today. I could use our word to state an opinion and say, I think we are being quiet. I could use the word to negotiate and say, if we pick up our toys, can we get a piece of candy? Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you would like to check out other videos where I take core vocabulary words and show how to use them for different functions of communication, check out my playlist over here. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel down here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.